Top 3 things that get customers the most upset. Number 1, audits. They get an audit at the end of the year and they're charged an extra 3, 4, 5, 10 thousands of dollars. And the reason is because the gross sales that they estimated or the gross sales that they provided to us were much higher than what they gave to us, which is a great thing. But in their eyes, it's terrible and they get super upset. In fact, today I had a client call me super upset about an audit he got. I'm like, hey, that's great news. You told me your gross sales were 900,000. It was 1.6 million. That's awesome. Yeah, you're going to pay more for insurance because they're taking more risk. It is what it is. You should be actually happy about it, but they're not happy about it. Number 2 is when something is not covered. I'll give you an example. They knew a pipe was leaking and the pipe is super old and they did nothing about it for years and years. And then the pipe breaks and causes a bunch of damage. They were aware of it. They already had a plumber come out several times. They knew it was leaking. It's something you got to take care of. Insurance companies are not a maintenance program. Now, if they weren't aware that it was leaking and all of a sudden it broke and you have a special form policy, then yes, the insurance policy should cover. So those are things that make people upset is they don't understand their policy and they expect everything to be covered. Number 3 is they do not provide all the information of what they're doing. They pay for the insurance policy and then after an inspection, they come out and cancel the policy. And now we have to find a new policy and usually one that costs a lot more. That really upsets people. They want to put the insurance to bed and be done with it. But if you don't provide your agent or broker with all the proper information, it's really hard to classify the risks. And sometimes when they classify it, it might not be spot on. The insurance carrier goes out and then says, wait a second, you did not do this properly. This is not the right type of business that we want to insure. I'll give you an example. You say it's a retail store. You fail to mention it's a retail gun store. That's going to make a big difference. And so it's really important that you get it done right from the beginning with your gross sales audits, with understanding your coverage, and with classifying the business.